As you can see here,
not going viral. This is my couple red flags.
I just whipped me.
As you guys know, last week we were in Dubai, and bro, if y'all haven't been to Dubai, bro, y'all definitely should check it out and consider moving there, bro, because bro, just Dubai, bro, the vibe, the people there, everybody is just so nice. It is safe. But yeah, we're back, we're locked in. As you guys might have known, my Instagram accounts, every single one, like my dropshipping ones, everything have been banned. So we're pretty much back to zero. We're starting from zero.
I just whipped me up, bro, some fire ravioli. I haven't even tasted it yet, bro, because I'm vlogging. But I'm about to go ahead and eat this, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a bunch of work done. I'll show you some of my processes and everything like that of how I run my business, my dropshipping business, my coaching program, everything. Like everything that I do, you guys will see in a day. Really chill day in the life. So far for the month of June, bro, since June's about to end, we're around $18,000 for the month, and I'll show you one of the stores. As you can see here, for the last 30 days with just one store, we're at 13,812.
And then just the other stuff that we got going on is around $18,000 for the month. And it's only June 28th. Obviously, we have three days left, I think, for the month. So, as you can see, we're still fucking grinding. It would be a lot more if my dropshipping stores are up. But like I said, they're not. So I have to start from complete scratch, bro. Like I'm starting from zero, making a brand new Instagram account, making a brand new website, making a brand new, getting the product, recording all brand new videos. It's just a lot to do. But with business, with any business, there are going to be ups and downs, and this is just one of my downs. And mistakes can only happen once. If you let a mistake happen more than once, bro, you're just crazy, bro. You won't succeed. If you make a mistake and learn from that mistake and never make that mistake again, you are going to win in life, bro. But as you guys may have already known, this is my old Instagram account. 215 million views on one video, 55 mil, 3.5 mil. And I'm done with that product, man. Officially done with this product. I'm not ever posting a video on this product again. In total, I made around $40,000 with just pretty much one video. I guarantee you that $40,000 came from that video, that 215 million video. It took me 22 days and 3 videos to blow this video up and make 40 bands. You know what I'm saying? So the biggest mistake I made when running this product was I got a little bit too comfortable. I was recording 5-second videos and posting them a bunch. Like I was grinding, and then I was making consistent $1,000 days, $500 days. I was making consistent $15,000 months, and I got too comfortable, so I stopped recording. I stopped doing everything. I was pretty much just slacking, bro, making money and you know, living my life. And that was the mistake that I made because I got too comfortable. Alright guys, so a red flag or a couple red flags to avoid when doing product research on organic would have to be if you go through the comment section and while you're doing product research and you see a bunch of negative comments or you see a bunch of comments that don't relate to the product, that's a red flag. Now, for example, all right, so I just finished up a module in my course. It's around 7 modules total for the course for organic dropshipping with a bunch of like, I think, let's see, 4 bonus modules. So pretty much A to Z on how to do dropshipping plus how to run the actual business on the back end side of things. And that comes with everyone who joins the premium Discord. So it's mad cheap for everybody there. So I just finished up a module, gonna be posting that and updating the course on there. All right, y'all, we're gonna be taking a little break, bro. Look how calm it is over here, cuz where you just don't get any sunlight. Oh, it's raining. Damn. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a break, bro. If you guys don't get fucking brand new Air Forces every other month, bro, you're slacking, bro, because they get dirty so quickly, bro. Like I made it a goal now to, as soon as I get some dirty ass shoes, bro, which I'm trying not to do, I'm just gonna buy brand new ones, especially Air Forces, bro, because they're like the easiest thing to wear. They match with everything. They're thicker and I wear cargos a lot. So I'm gonna answer some questions while I'm on my way to go get my damn chicken. So hopefully my camera doesn't fall, bro, while I'm driving. But first question is, how do you handle content flops? How do you handle like not going viral? First of all, you need to stop worrying about going viral. Yes, that's the only way you're able to make money with organic dropshipping, but first step is to master everything besides going viral. A lot of people on TikTok and Instagram are a little bit younger and they go more towards those quick movements, those faster cuts and everything like that. So you have to really get into the art of editing, the art of recording, lighting, controversy, like I said. So you're not going viral because of your own actions. Instagram is not just gonna punish you for no reason, bro. You're not in a TikTok view jail. You're just not doing good content, and that's just the reality of things. The video that got 215 million views on Instagram, it also went viral on YouTube Shorts. Guess what? It also went viral on Facebook. Guess what? It also went viral on TikTok. So the same video went viral on every single platform, bro. So that there's a reason for that. If it was a platform issue, bro, one of those videos would have flopped. One of those videos would not even hit 100K views or even 1 million views. So like I said, it is a you issue, not a platform issue, bro. So stop giving yourself excuses. You're just ass. Another thing you guys are getting too worried about, bro, is chargebacks and refunds and all of this extra stuff, bro. One thing I can say, bro, is if you're getting charged back a lot, bro, worry about getting your customer service dialed in. You don't have to hire a VA. If you can, it's only like $3 a day, but all you have to do is just use ChatGPT and have good customer service when it comes to emails, bro. If somebody's asking you where their order is, give them the tracking number, give them the order status, give them everything that you have, and make sure they're happy with how you're talking to them, bro. Because a lot of you guys either just don't respond, and I've seen people literally just like talk back to them, you know what I'm saying? So just I know how it is, bro. Like, they can be really rude, especially American customers, bro, because they're expecting a lot because they have Amazon and everything like that. So you need to just dial in on good customer service, be as nice as possible, bro, and you'll get less chargebacks. You can even offer some like discounts or anything like that. One more thing right before I go inside and just get my chicken is sourcing. A lot of you guys, I think that's like the biggest concern when it comes to dropshipping, is nobody knows where to source something, you know what I'm saying? So sourcing isn't too important in the beginning. If you're just starting up your dropshipping store, it doesn't really matter where you're sourcing from. I personally start off every single store, even to this day, with AliExpress. And then I also don't do automatic fulfillment in the beginning. I want to make sure the store is actually going to be good before I start automatic fulfilling. So I just manually fulfill on AliExpress. Once I start and get to a point where I cannot manually fulfill because it's a lot of orders and stuff like that, then I go ahead with automatic fulfillment. I personally use Zendrop, and this is not like a featured or sponsored video or anything. I personally use Zendrop. Once you start getting on Zendrop's good side, bro, you will have a private supplier through Zendrop. And those private suppliers, bro, they are giving me everything that I ask for with no hesitation at all, bro. Like, everything that you need with their private supplier, you'll be perfectly good to go, bro. They've been the best to me. Like I said, this isn't sponsored or anything like that. Let's go ahead and fucking get this chicken, bro. This chicken is actually humongous, bro. So I'm about to eat up $5 for this big ass chicken, bro. All right, y'all. So in this bag is all my props, because I'm about to go and leave the house to record some dropshipping videos for my product. Yes, I do have to leave the house. It's not an indoor product. So I'm about to go out, jam to some music. I'm not gonna take this camera because I just, no point. But I wish I could show you the product, bro, but you guys are all weird. So no more showing you guys my products, because y'all like to steal money because y'all think y'all them and then shit like that. This shit sucks ass, bro. If you guys want to know exactly what I do have a free training down in the description below. I also have a Discord and everything like that. If you have any specific questions, don't fucking hesitate to DM me on Instagram. Instagram is the quickest, the best way to contact me, so that link will be in the description below. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate every single one of y'all. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be grinding for the rest of the night, bro. There's really nothing to do. It's 7:30 and we're on grind mode, you feel me?